Okay, I'm trying to do this pretty quick. My backings are a little bit different. Anyway, started using bolts on the sides on these bigger modes. Two side pieces, cover piece. Now I got to figure out how to get all this crap in the middle. Well, there we go. Alright. Everything's upside down and backwards, of course. Nope, let's try this a different way. There we go. There you go. Yeah, that fits pretty good. Okay. First piece I tried. Alright. Got my arrows pointing to there. Alright. Kind of locks in. Well, there we go again. Now the centerpiece. All gravity held. Now then we got to put the rubber on. Ooh, crap. Well, here we go. Well, not bad. Ready to pour.